Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking up some important questions of inverse trigonometry. The first question is, show that tan half sine inverse 3 by 4 is equal to 4 minus root 7 by 3. So how do we proceed it? First we assume let half sine inverse 3 by 4 is equal to theta. So this is sine inverse 3 by 4 is 2 theta. So sine 2 theta is equal to 3 by 4. And if you see, I substitute this value theta here, this will become tan theta. So actually I should get the value of tan 2 theta. Okay. So what is the formula of sine 2 theta? That is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 3 by 4. We do the cross multiplication, 3 plus 3 tan square theta, which will give me 3 tan square theta minus 8 tan theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, it is a quadratic equation in tan theta. So we want 8 minus 8 here and 3 3s are 9. So directly splitting the middle term is not possible here. So we use the method of quadratic equation by the quadratic formula. So tan theta is equal to minus b. This is the formula, x is equal to minus b. If you remember, you have done in class 10 by 2a. So tan theta is equal to minus b means this is 8 plus minus square root of b square is 64. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 upon 2a. 2 3s are 6. So this is 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 36 is 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2 and this is 6. Easily you can see this is 2 root 7. So 8 plus minus 2 root 7 by 6. We can take 2 common and cancel from the denominator. So we have 4 plus minus root 7 by 3. So now which value you have to take, because it is the proof that question and it is given 4 minus root 7 by 3. So we will be taking the value 4 minus, so tan theta is equal to 4 minus root 7 by 3. So let's do the next question. This is the first important question. The next question, this has been asked many times in board exam. So the next important question is, prove that, this can be asked as prove that question, this can be asked as evaluate also. Sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3 is equal to 15. This is sec square and that is cosec. We know the formula, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So when you apply this, or you can take the left hand side, this will become 1 plus tan square and this will become 1 plus cot square cot inverse 3. So what is tan of tan inverse 2? That will be 2. So we can write this as 2 square and this is 1 and this is 3 square. 2 plus 4 plus 9 which is 15, which is your right hand side. So this is the way we prove this question. Let us come to the next question. Next question is, solve the equation cos tan inverse x solve the equation cos tan inverse x is equal to sin cot inverse 3/4. Here it is tan and here it is cot. So we can do one thing, we can change it. I can write this as 1 upon sec, and this can be written as 1 upon cosec. In board exam you won't get lengthy question, but questions might be tricky. So this is the first step which you have to do. Second is sec. The reason is that why we are converting in sec and cosec. In the previous question you have seen cosec and cot, they can be written in terms of cot, and this can be written in terms of tan. So we know the formula. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. I can write this as 1 plus tan square tan inverse x, and this side 1 plus cot square is cot inverse 3/4. So you can cut the square root from both the sides, and this will be 1 plus x square, because tan of tan inverse x is x, and this is 1 plus cot of cot inverse is 3/4 raised to power 2. So this can be cancelled from 1 and 1 can be cancelled from both the sides. So your x square is 3/4 raised to power 2, x is plus minus 3/4. So this is the answer for this question. I hope this question is clear to everyone. So let's do one more question and then we will end the class. The next question is sine inverse, prove that sine inverse 8/17 plus sine inverse 3/5 is equal to cos inverse 36/85. So how do we prove it? Let us, this type of question, how do we proceed it? Let x is equal to sine inverse 8/17 and y is equal to sine inverse 3/5. So sine x is 8/17 and sine y is 3/5. If you know sine function, we can find cos x easily. So when you use the Pythagoras theorem, it will be 17 square minus 8 square, that is 289. If you use the cos formula, that is 1 minus this. So 17 square minus 8 square by 17. And similarly cos y is 4/5. So here when you solve, this is 289 minus 64. 289 minus 64 is 225. This is 15/17. If you know Pythagoras triplet, you need not to show all these steps. Now this side I need cos inverse. So I use the formula of cos x plus y, which is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. And cos x cos y means 15/17 into 4/5 minus 8 by 17 into 3 by 5. 15 fours are 60 minus 24 by 85, which is equal to 36 by 85. So easily you can see this will go on this side. X plus y is equal to cos inverse 36 by 85. If they ask for 10, we use the formula of 10. If they ask for sine, we use the formula of sine. This question can be asked in many ways. So x is sine inverse 8 by 17 and this is sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to cos inverse 5. So this is the last question for today. We'll meet in the next class with the next topic, and if you want me to explain any other topic, please write in the message so we can do the that topic.